Introduction to Financial Literacy and Banking Navigation. Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into something super important, financial literacy. That's just a fancy way of saying we're going to learn how to manage money wisely. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or using a bank, these skills will help you make smart choices with your money. So let's get started. First off, what is financial literacy? Financial literacy is knowing how to handle money so you don't run into problems. Let's break it down into 5 key areas. First thing is budgeting. Budgeting helps you plan how to spend and save your money. Think of it like a game plan for your cash. For example, you earn $500 a month, so you set aside money for food, rent, and fun activities so you don't overspend. That's budgeting. Next, saving. This means putting money aside for future needs or emergencies. For example, you want a new phone. Instead of spending all your money, save a little cash each month until you have enough. That way, you won't need to borrow money or stress about it later. Debt. So debt happens when you borrow money and need to pay it back. Loans and credit cards can be useful, but they come with rules. For example, you borrow $100 from a friend and promise to pay it back next week. If you don't, they might not lend you money again. The same thing happens with the bank. If you don't pay on time, they charge extra fees. Investing. So ever heard of investing? It's a way to grow your money over time. Stocks, bonds, and retirement funds can help you build wealth. For example, if you invest $100 today and it grows over time, you could have $200 in a few years. That's the power of investing. Also, make smart decisions. Making smart money choices means avoiding scams, understanding interest rates, and not falling into traps. For example, you ever get a message saying you want a prize, but you need to pay to claim it? That's a scam. Always double check before sending money. Alright, let's talk about banking navigations. Let's talk about also how to use banks wisely. In terms of bank accounts, banks offer different types of accounts. Checking account. This is for daily use, like paying bills. Savings account, for storing money and earning interest. Debit versus credit cards. Cards make payments easy, but there's a difference. For debit cards, uses your own money. For credit cards, lets you borrow money, but you have to pay it back. Online banking and ATMs. Most banks have apps where you can check balances, pay bills, and transfer money. No need to visit the bank. Loans and ATMs. Loans help pay for big things like car or college, but you have to pay them back with interest. ATMs let you withdraw cash, check your balance, or deposit money. Customer support. Got questions? Banks have customer support teams to help you with anything you don't understand. Why financial literacy matters. So understanding financial literacy and banking helps you avoid debt, save money, and make better financial choices. Start practicing these skills today, and you'll thank yourself later. Thanks for joining, and happy saving.